Setting up rockets is an expensive proposition, and one that requires much expertise, as Rocket Dan is showing here, along with his able assistant, David.
Yes, very able assistant.
We have police protection. Get this clear, will be great. Okay. Unfortunately, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 police officers and 2 cars. And there's Lee. He's thinking about being deputized.
Armed. We are clear. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Push button.
I did it. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, we've got a misfire.
Misfire. Looks like Brent Carmichael's going to launch a rocket or two. Something about continuity, check. I knew that was coming. Do we have?
Yep.
We have light.
We have continuity. Okay, arming the system. Push that to arm. System is armed. We're clear. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Whoa! Where did he go? It's right there.
There it is.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, system is armed. Clear for launch. We're launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're getting nice straight flights.
Oh yeah, here it comes.
Good deployment. Oh. Good deployment.
Anyone to catch it in their teeth wins the prize.
Trying to call her.
Continuity check.
Okay.
Check for continuity.
Y'all have after these.
We don't have light. We have light. We have continuity. Arm the system.
So.
System is armed.
All right, we will do so.
Clear. Clear for launch. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys did a good job on your rockets because they are getting some beautiful straight flights.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh, you see it.